Welcome back, everybody. We've got a great video for you today. This video has been requested and asked about more times than anything on my entire YouTube channel. Some of you may not know that I have a super viral YouTube short on installing a mini split air conditioner. It's been viewed millions and millions and millions of times, so many times that the brand of mini split that I was installing bought the YouTube short because they wanted to turn it into a commercial. The most asked question was, what about the electricity, handyman? How'd you do that? You left that part out of the YouTube short. Of course I did, because you only got 60 seconds to do a YouTube short. So this video here is all about how to get electricity to the spot that you're going to install the mini split. If you got questions or concerns, put them down below. This is the rim joist, and it's quite a stack there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers. And then the rim joist. So I'm going to try to go out right about there. Hopefully I can fit a drill up in here. Tell there's a mouse problem. I'm trying to figure out where they're coming in the house. They can get in just about anywhere. It's a decent gap that foam is filling. Over, boom. My instinct as an electrician and a professional wire fisher is to do the least amount of drywall damage. Keep in mind, this is a garage. We got concrete walls. What I need to do is cut one more section down, undo all the screws, cut the top, pop it loose. Just because there's one seam and a couple screws, once I go put it back together, it does not inhibit the finished look of this garage. There's a likely future electrical renovations where I'll probably be back here doing more stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my keyhole saw right where that line is there, cut it, boom, get this out, get that wire 100% installed and ready to move on to the next process. So what I'm going to do is measure from this side here down to the floor height. because that's the reverse of the measurement of the section of 12-2 that's got to come up into the panel. Obviously, you always give yourself a little extra. So we need to come up 5 feet, 6 feet from the floor height. And that'll give me enough room to go in and around. I always have these little pliers, these Knipex. Okay, that should be the bottom of the panel. Just wanted to jump in real quick and talk to you guys that are in business and you're coming into a slow season, a holiday season. I'm sure most of you by now use Jobber. That's a CRM app that I use and many other guys use to run their business. A few videos ago on my Handyman Business YouTube channel, I talked about the trifecta. And one of those things is having a digital online presence to help you get more jobs. It's the social proof. You got to have the website and you got to have social media accounts. Jobber has an add-on marketing suite that builds websites. Maybe you've got a website that you built. I suggest trying out the Jobber websites and have it build you one and compare the two. And if you don't have one, you should have one. I'll leave a link down in the description that gets you 20% off for your first 6 months of Jobber. Now back to the video. It's right there. Perfect. Should be enough. Go way up top and get to my grounds. So this is a 115 volt mini split, and we're going to be connecting the black and the white. And when we go to put the AC whip on, which is the wire that comes out of the bottom of here and goes into the outdoor unit, we're just going to keep matching up the colors, black to black, white to white, and the grounds will go on this little ground bus here. Very similar if you were doing a 220 volt or 240 volt mini split. The only thing that's different is the breaker is different. Gunshots. This is how you disconnect power. Put it in like this way, it says OFF. That's how you know it's off. If you want to turn the power on, you just put this in like that. So it reads ON, meaning it's on. We're going to leave it in the off position. The breaker is also off inside the house. This flimsy little thing goes in here. Just like this. Is it. So that's it for your mini split electric. It's just running a circuit. In an upcoming video, I will be doing the full mini split install, and I'll show you how to connect the AC whip from here to the unit that's going to go right here somewhere, right about here. Give the video a like and please subscribe.